Hi friends! Google Drive is used to store files in the cloud so they can be accessed from anywhere. You can use any of your Google accounts to access Google Drive. We recommend you to follow the steps shown here in this video only after watching part 1, 2, 3, and 4 of this video. Here's how it continues from part 4. If you want to work more on Google Docs, then open any document in Google Docs. Click on the File tab and then click on Email as Attachment. Here, from the drop-down, you can choose in which format you want to attach this document. Enter the email address of the recipient and then edit the subject if required. Enter your message in the given box and then click on Send. To download this document on your computer, just click on the File tab and then go to Download As. Select the format in which you want to download the document, and the document will be downloaded on your computer in the selected format. You can confirm the same by navigating to the location where it downloaded. Click on File tab and click on See Revision History. It will show you the revision history with time and date on the right side of the document. You can select any of them to restore it to the earlier version. By clicking on Show More Detailed Revisions, you can see more revision histories if available. Close the Revision History pane and then close the document. To continue with the steps to use Google Drive, watch part 6 of this video.